Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the virtual classes. This is Monica ma'am signing in as your English teacher. My dear children, I hope you all have completed the workbook exercises done so far. Today we will be moving further to the next topic of workbook exercises. So, moving further today with the exercise questions of your workbook, we will do the question given on page number 23 of your English workbook. It's based on the writing skill, and what we have to do is to read and understand the given thought map on my mother. Now here the word thought map means mind mapping. A mind map is a tool for the brain that captures the thinking that goes on inside your head. It helps you to think, collect knowledge, remember and create ideas, and most likely it will make you a better thinker. Mind maps can be created in different ways, and the central theme is placed in the center of the page. This is the title, or you may say the subject, or just a thought about which we have to write. When we have a clear idea about the central theme of what we are supposed to write, it makes us easy to understand and collect more and more ideas, and immediately some images automatically takes a form in your head. For example, the image of a colorful bunch of balloons comes into the mind when we talk of birthday party. So today we will read an example of a thought map with the central idea, my mother. This is the thought map which is describing about a mother, that how she looks. Now talking about this, it is clear that we will describe the person that is a mother. Okay, so here you can see certain sentences are given in this thought map. Let us read. My mother is tall and thin. She has a pointed nose. Her eyes are brown. She has long black hair. Her face is oval shaped. So all these 5 sentences are talking about the mother's physical appearance and telling how she looks. Different adjectives are used to describe the mother. Now adjectives, as you all know, are the describing words which tell us the quality of something or someone. Now as we have read on the previous page number 23, the thought map describing a mother's appearance, here on page number 24 you have to do this exercise which says, now complete the given thought map by describing the physical appearance of any person you know. Also paste his or her photograph. So here in the center, in the middle, you will paste the photograph. Take a passport size photograph and paste it here, and you can mention the relationship with that person. May it be your father, mother, a teacher, your friend, your neighbor, your cousin, grandparents, anyone whose photo you are pasting here. You will write the relationship with that person over here. Then in these blank spaces you have to describe that person's appearance. That means how that person looks like on the outside. Basically, when we describe a person, we describe the appearance as well as the mannerism. That means how the person acts or behaves. We also talk about the character traits. That means the habit and the behavioral traits of that person. We also talk about the emotions of that person. But here in this question, you just have to talk about their physical appearance. That means how they look on outside. For example, if you paste the picture of your father, you will tell what is the color of his eyes, what is the color of his hair, as in using the adjectives. So this is your homework for today. Do it in your workbook. We will do the remaining exercises tomorrow. Till then, thank you, take care and bye-bye.